Hello, I wanted to show you, this is my old watch band bought on Amazon. I've done other videos about this band, and I want to just show you, this is like 3.5 years later, wearing this every day, just what it looks like right now and stuff. Haven't even cleaned it, just so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. So, okay. Obviously, from wearing it all the time, it's got the common spots where it's, rubbed constantly, like shiny spots, if you see. There we go. See those? That's just where it's all the time rubbing against each other. This here has been discolored more. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know what could have caused that. But really, it's still working great. I mean, yeah, just wear spots, really. So this band right now on Amazon is less than $8. So you can't beat it. I mean, really nice. This is the new watch in the Series 11 with the Nike Sport band here. The thing I don't like about this one, it's a nice, good quality band. I mean, you can tell that this is even a little bit better, probably quality. This is light, this is more heavy duty. But I like how this one has these two loops. When you only have this here loop, it's hard to get it buckled and then put under. It's nice having this that guides through, secures the strap, and then you can lock it in to the hole and then through. So this is a nicer design. I just have always liked how that works. This one, you gotta fumble with it trying to get it into the hole, and buckled. So I don't know. I'm not as much of a fan of this one that's like 40 some bucks or whatever to the $8 one. So this one works just as well, I think. So yeah, I mean, other than discolorization, maybe don't get white, white's showing it. I mean, the other thing is these little grooves get all this dirt and stuff. I mean, it collects dirt and stuff. Any band's gonna collect dirt. These holes on this one's gonna collect dirt. The back side of this one, where this color changes, it's not a groove like these are, so it's not gonna trap dirt in there as bad. So that's kind of another little difference. But I'm gonna post a link to this band again on the video description. That's my Amazon affiliate link. If you do try to buy one of these or want to try one out, I will get some credit for it. So go check that out. Again, like this video if you like this, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tech tips like this. Thanks for watching today.